how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Big Cartel. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn if it's possible to link CJ Dropshipping to Big Cartel, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. This is going to be fast, and remember that cjdropshipping.com is going to be available as a website and sign up link in the description of this tutorial. So by now I'm just going to show you a random product. Let's suppose this custom for pets. I'm going to open it. And here, as you can see, they're telling me that this is shipping from China, all the inventory, or it could be the CJ inventory, whatever you want, and the platform you want to link with. Here is where you're going to be able to link CJ Dropshipping with some of these shop stores, okay? But there's no Big Cartel on it yet. Indeed, I wanted to show you an article from cjdropship.com that let us know these are the integrated platforms by now. As a website builder are these ones, and as marketplace, eBay, Etsy, recently TikTok and Lazada, and more in the way. But by now there's no way to link your CJ Dropshipping to Big Cartel. Perhaps what you can do is link it with another dropshipping website, or also to copy the product itself in order to imitate it in Big Cartel. But as I'm showing you, by now 2023, there is no way to link CJ Dropshipping to Big Cartel. I just wanted to let you know that to make you conscious, and that's it. Thanks for watching.